Hi guys, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're going to be making the perfect toasted cheese sandwich. Let's get started. So we're going to be cooking this toasted sandwich in the Ninja air fryer today. So we're going to start off with 2 pieces of bread. There we go. And what we're going to do is just cover the outside of them with some butter. So they're going to be the inside where the cheese is going to sit. Let's move the butter out of the way. And then we have some sliced cheese. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put 2 slices of sliced cheese in the middle. And what we're going to do next is put the top on top of the bottom. So we're left with that. Next, we're going to put a dollop of mayonnaise on the top. Build a bit there, and again just a light coating, making sure you get all the way to the edges. There we go. And I have a liner for the air fryer, and what I'm going to do is turn that over, put it onto the liner, and then cover this slice in the mayonnaise as well. And again, make sure you get the edges. And there we go. That's ready to now go into the air fryer. So we're going to be using the Ninja Flex Draw air fryer. It's a 10.4 litre. There are 2 zones, or you can take away the separator to use the whole tray. But today we're just going to use zone 1. So we're going to turn on the Ninja air fryer, and we're going to hit zone 1. We can go to air fry mode, and we're going to go for 6 minutes. Okay, we're going to open up our drawer, and we're going to stick our air fryer liner with our toasted sandwiches in there. Just move it around so it's in there evenly. You can see that. Pop it in the drawer and hit start. At 3 minutes remaining, we're going to turn over the sandwich and continue the cooking. Let's get started. Okay, so we're coming up to the 3-minute mark. Let's open the drawer and see how the first half is done. Wow, you can see that it looks quite toasty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this sandwich over and put it back in for the remaining 3 minutes. Okay, so we're nearly there guys, just a few seconds left. Cannot wait to try this toasted sandwich. And there we are, we finished. So let's turn off the air fryer and see how it's cooked. Wow, that looks amazing. Let's get that on a plate and I'll give you my thoughts. So that looks really, really good. I'm going to use my new Ninja knives, and we're going to give this a slice in half and see how well it's cooked inside. Now then, all the cheese has melted. It looks amazing. Let's give it a taste. So here we are, we have the toasted sandwich. I'm actually quite hungry, so let's give it a taste. That is amazing. The crunch on the outside with the mayonnaise that's been cooked, absolutely perfect. Cheese is all melted inside. That is the perfect toasted cheese sandwich. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, leave any comments down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching guys, bye for now.